It is September 4th. It has been a crap day. Cory is going to try to put this back wall in. I came in to find that my countertop was still sticky. So started off with re-epoxying that to get rid of the sticky spots. I don't know what happened. And then Cory struggled with the corner piece over there. He's still trying to get it to set up. And now he's going to try to put in the back wall.
I don't know if today's a good day to do this.
Today just really hasn't been a great day for anything. But, you know.
What do you do?
Exactly. And at least we're moving forward.
Alright, maybe I need to do this. I don't know.
This is probably the worst one of all of them.
Yeah. I thought this was going to be the worst one. I'm not sure. We're about to find out. Start to go yet. No.
And it'd be great if I could help, but there's not room for 2 people in this bathroom. Can I move that bucket?
No.
Okay. Good.
No, no, no. Don't do that. Don't do it. Do not do it. Do not do it.
Good news is it's tight. What do you need?
I don't know. Something.
The persuader.
I think it'll be fine.
Yeah, the way everything else has gone today, I'd say that went pretty well.
Yeah.
It's been a rough day.
It has been a very rough day. Let's see how this holds. I'm just going to leave this braced overnight.
Oh, yeah.
And all that is just a mess.
I agree. I think it needs time to really set up, and hopefully the countertops will also set up, and I don't know.
Yeah.
It's just been a bad day. I also took apart the bathroom door and took the towel rack off of it, took it apart and painted it all in silver. I don't know if we'll use it on the door or the wall or where we'll use it or if we'll use it, but it's painted silver now at least. Always an adventure?
Always.
If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.